Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I'm going to show you the secret item trash in Chicken Gun. So let's get started. I know I have seen in this map in Elite Squad before, Town 3 FSP. This is Town 3F. Looks like the copy of Elite Squad, but whatever. And I haven't downloaded the Evo Iro game because it's Elite Squad mobs game. If you tell me that what is that Elite Squad mob game in the comments, I want to download that. So you see the item trash, guys? It's really down. And it has a color inside. Let's use a brick to put it down. And now we put a portal because we will see. Where is my brick? Oh. Oh, it's really down. Oops, I guess I killed myself, guys. Let's go back again. Where have I started? Let's spawn a trash. See? It's the same item you have never known in Chicken Gun. And also if Chicken Gun another could and if another update comes, they will put a trash like this. Okay guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy my video. Please give us a like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button for more updates. Okay, bye.